Setting off, cresting the last peak. I can see it. Oh wow. We're still 20 kilometers from that mountain. Let's go. Go, go, go. We're here to follow through on last episode's promise. This time we're heading to western Sichuan, specifically the Yala Snow Mountain, probably the closest one to Chengdu. We're going to take you on a deep dive experience of our off-road version of the Liandongyun 5. Hey Xiaodu, navigate to Xinduqiao. Navigating you to Xinduqiao town. What 40,000 yuan car has that feature? When I bought the Liandongyun, I told myself, once I get it, I'll film a road trip with it. Today that finally happened. So why the rush to film now? Not because the weather's great today. It's because everyone I work with, people around me, all came down with COVID, which is kind of wild. I don't think I'm somehow immune. I just figured, let me get this episode shot before the symptoms hit. So I rushed to the filming, and then I'll go lie down. Can't miss a post. After Xinduqiao, Wutonggyo district, we should be able to head to the Snow Mountains tomorrow morning. Let me introduce today's supporting cast. Ha! Longtime followers know I bought this thing. Is that a Land Rover? The Hanlong Kuangshi. Only hardcore car fans would even know this model exists. Right, the real Land Rover's up front, the fake one's behind. Next episode stars the 100,000 yuan fake Land Rover, the Hanlong Kuangshi. What even is that thing? The spare tire cover's not going to fall off, is it? We'll keep an eye on it from back here. You guys back there, just watch for it. Once we're on the highway, as long as nothing falls off this car, we're good. It's all just decorative. Ha ha. Auto start stop. What a useful, economical little feature. Let's try out the cruise control. Now that we've picked up speed, wind noise is pretty loud. We're doing 90 now. Part of it's the snorkel. Right, that thing. And the roof rack. The tires too. Both wind and tire noise just shot up. So, we're just goofing around. Don't try this at home. On the way back we're stripping all of it off, and getting the car back to stock for the transfer. I bet nobody has ever driven a Liandongyun all the way to this snow mountain. We're here to test how the car handles off-road. See what this Liandongyun 5 is really made of. At 11:30 we rolled into Xinduqiao in the Liandongyun. None of our mods have fallen off so far. Let's see what's parked outside the hotel. It used to be Land Cruisers everywhere. Now, tanks. A tank from Shenzhen, and 2 tanks from locals up front. We're the only ones in a Liandongyun. Hey, where's the Land Rover? Turns out the camera guy got altitude sickness. The fake Land Rover took them to get oxygen for an hour. We're at 3,500 meters right now. We'll probably hit 4,000 plus today. Better safe than sorry. At 10:30 we set out from Xinduqiao, heading for a viewpoint near Yala Snow Mountain. Should take about an hour and a half. It's parked right in the middle. There it is. I can see it. Whoa, haha. Turn the corner, and there's the Snow Mountain. You come around the bend, and it's right there. We can already see the Snow Mountain. It's surreal. Still 20 kilometers away from that peak. Let's go. So cute. From this village, the road goes unpaved for a stretch, then leads into the scenic area. Where'd it fall off? Just a little ways ahead. It already came off. Oh no. It crashed. The drone's down. Eagle. Eagle. Look at that eagle. It's massive. It flew off, soaring away. How much further do we drive in? About 3 or 4 more kilometers. Oh, that's it. It's all this kind of road. No really big drops though, right? There's an uphill section ahead. Pretty bumpy. Lots of potholes. 25 yuan per person, right? Yep. What's going on? A 3 Series made it up here? Not exactly a challenge then. Ha. Without comparison, there's no pain. I was feeling pretty good about my Liandongyun. A 3 Series and a 300 Series. The real Land Rover showed up. The real Land Rover's here. It's gone, it's gone. Gotta delete the 3 Series footage, can't use it. Right. Makes my Liandongyun look completely unimpressive. Don't stare too hard or you'll get altitude sickness. Look at those 2 cars. 1 guy, 1 girl. 2 guys, 2 girls. And then there's our sausage fest. Haha. Gonna have to fix the team composition going forward. Alright, we've eaten. Time to tackle the last climb. Look at that in the distance. Switchbacks. Looks really steep. You go over that ridge and you're there. The closest viewpoint to the Snow Mountain. The most spectacular view of the peak. Let's do it! Heading out now, cresting the final peak. The Snow Mountain is just behind this ridge. Looks really steep. Steeper than anything I've climbed before. I need to wait for my camera guy. Take a sip of water. Oh wow, look at that. Whoa, it's pretty steep. We're about to go up this massive slope. They're all 4-wheel drive. Even the MPV up there is 4-wheel drive. Today I'm going to prove that 2-wheel or 4-wheel drive doesn't matter. What matters is who's driving. Here we come. Little hill. Running out of steam. We're done. Come on. Oh man. Come on, give it everything. Watch out for ice up ahead. Slope's pretty big. We're done for. Hurry, hurry. Whoa. I don't think I can make it up. We're probably not going to make it. Now what? This is as far as we go. Ha! The slope's too steep. No power at all. The Liandongyun can't go any further. If the Liandongyun can't make it, the Hanlong probably can't tow it either. That car doesn't have the greatest power either. Let me get out and check if there's a better approach. Found a gentler run-up slope. Gonna make a run at it. Speed up, keep going. Whoa. The big climb. Don't stop. Getting closer. Yeah. Another big hairpin. We made it up. Scared you, didn't I? After all that work getting to the top, we find out the actual viewpoint is another 100 meters up on foot. We're at 4,600 meters now. Honestly, looking at that slope, I sat in the car staring at it. Spent half an hour psyching myself up. Those two have been climbing for about 20 minutes now. They're probably just past 60%, if it really comes to it. We'll send the drone up to get viewers a look at the Snow Mountain. The whole idea of buying the Liandongyun and converting it into an off-roader was really just to pull off a stunt. Make the bit real. But what I didn't expect was, the comments on that episode were almost nothing like I imagined. Instead, they became a place for people to relive their youth. People shared their stories of battling the Liandongyun's transmission. Someone brought up songs they used to listen to inside one. Someone showed off their record of driving a Liandongyun, over 10,000 kilometers. Someone praised the driving feel of the Liandongyun 5. Someone said it's been so long since they'd seen one, and felt sad about it. So let this video be the one where we, finally, say goodbye to the Liandongyun. Goodbye. First car of a generation.